Hello, my friends. Welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. We are going to draw a cute panda. At first, I draw a shape of her head. I draw the eyes. And her nose. Then I draw the ears. I draw her arms. I draw her body. I draw her legs. I draw the bamboo. Let's coloring with black color.
Let's go on a picnic, you and me. Find a spot beneath the tree. We'll bring some snacks, some yummy treats. A perfect panda picnic can't be beat. We'll bring the honey sweet and bright. You bring berries, what a sight. Maybe apples, maybe pears, lots of goodies, no panda cares. Let's go on a picnic, you and me.
Pink color.
Find a spot beneath the tree. We'll bring some snacks, some yummy treats. A perfect panda picnic can't be beat.
White color. Green color.
The sun will shine, the wind will blow. The perfect day, I think you know.
Thank you for watching.